Welcome back to another episode from the Instructables website. Today, we're making another pretty piece of trash. It's map string art. For this project, we need nails and a piece of wood and a picture of the map that you want to make and some string. Let's get started. First, print your map off and tape it to the piece of wood. Surrender yourself to the fact that we're putting hundreds of nails into a small piece of wood. It's going to take you 6 hours to do. Why would you ever submit yourself to this self-torture? But hey, it's for art, so I'm sure that it's worth it. Once your neighbors go crazy, I mean, your nails are in the wood. Start rapping. Go crazy. It's not rocket science. That's it. Hang it up, find a nice place for it. You're done. Can't I be done with these? How many more do I have to make? Thanks for watching. Check back soon to see another video from the Instructables website. If you haven't already, go down below, subscribe, hit the notification bell to get notified every time I release a video. And as always, stay fancy. Oh, you're still with me. Well, click here to see a video that YouTube thinks you want to watch. Click here to subscribe.